Hi guys, this is your admin Cindy Amaya. This is my first official training video, and I wanted to make this video one of many uh, as a training video so I can show you guys how you can go ahead and list items on eBay that are coming from Amazon. Okay, in this video we're going to focus on making small profits. Now, when it comes to choosing items from Amazon, you want to pretty much do a little bit of research. You want to see what kind of items are trending. You want to see, what is most popular, what is selling the most, and that's how you can determine what is going to do good on eBay. Okay, so this is a brand new eBay account that I just created, and I'm only using this as for training purposes. Okay, so as you can see, I already have Amazon open. And I already have a product in mind, okay, which is mirrors. So I'm going to go ahead and first thing I'm going to do is I'm going to type in mirror. And I'm just pretty much going to do a little bit of research and see, which mirrors are more popular, which ones have a lot of reviews, a lot of good reviews, and which ones I believe are going to do well on eBay. So as you can see, these first couple of mirrors, this one has 502 reviews. This kind of mirror that holds jewelry has over 1,000 reviews, so that's a really good one as well. But what I want to focus on is small profit items. And what I mean by that is I want to focus on items that are at least $50 or less. And the reason why is because when it comes to PayPal, the more expensive that your item is, the more chances that PayPal is going to get a little bit concerned, and they're going to want to ask for a receipt, or they might want to find a reason to ask you for, an invoice or anything that has to do with the item. And also, items that are $50 or less are more likely not to be on hold when you sell the item on eBay. Items that are anywhere from 100 to 150 or more are more likely to be on hold. So it's better if you have a sale, if you have an item that's not on hold, so you can use the money to go ahead and purchase the product. Otherwise, if it is on hold, you would have to go ahead and use your own money to purchase the product until you add the tracking number and your money gets released once the item is delivered to the buyer. So I'm just going to do a little bit of research here. I'm sorry, there's a fly in my face. A little bit of research here, and I did have a certain mirror that I was interested in, which is, I think it's this one, East Hold Makeup Vanity Mirror. So as you can see, this one has over 2,000 reviews. It has 4 stars, so that means it's pretty good. And it's only $24.99, okay? And it says on top of that, it says save $10 with coupon. Now, if you currently have a Prime account, that is something that, and if you are thinking of drop shipping from Amazon with eBay, having a Prime account can really help you a lot, because you will be able to ship the item to your buyer, within 2 days, really fast shipping. It increases the chances of the buyer being happy, receiving the item right away. Now, all I basically do when I am, listing on eBay from Amazon is all I pretty much do is copy and paste. That's all I do, okay? So I'm going to show you guys exactly how to do this. So the first thing I'm going to do is I'm going to go ahead and copy the title. Okay, now I'm not going to copy the whole thing because it probably will be too long for eBay, but I'm going to copy it all the way until it says ultra thin stable base. Okay, now I'm going to go ahead and go to eBay. Now the first thing you want to do when you're going to list an item is you want to look at the top left corner. I'm sorry, at the top right corner, and you want to click on where it says sell. Okay, and this is after you have already created your account. You want to click on sell, and this is where you're going to go ahead and paste what you just copied, okay, from Amazon. So I'm going to go ahead and paste this, and I'm going to click on enter. Now you may see a lot of competition. There will be other people selling the same items if the item is popular. As you can see, this is a popular item because there is a lot of people selling this item. But you don't have to go ahead and click on any of these. What you can go ahead and do is you can just go and click on create a new listing here at the top corner. So I'm going to go ahead and create a new listing. I'm going to select new because this is a new product. And let me just make up an address here since I didn't have a chance to create anything. Okay, I'm going to do this. Continue. Which this I really should have done before, but I didn't have a chance to do it. So that's fine. Okay, so this is going to be our main page of where you're going to list your product. Okay, it's going to ask you for your title, for the photos that you want to upload, for the product information, details, description. You're going to go to your pricing and your shipping, and then your location and, payment method, which is PayPal. That is how you're going to get paid. And then you're going to list the item. Okay, it's really simple. So as you can see, the title is good because it says right here, good length. Okay, now what I'm going to do is I'm just going to copy the same pictures that are on Amazon. And what I mean by that is I'm going to save them. Okay, so I'm going to go ahead and save these. Let me just choose a folder here. Okay, Amazon product 1. Okay, so I'm going to save a couple of images here. Let's see. I like to pretty much add anywhere around 2, 3, possibly 4 photos. The more photos, the better chances of you making that sale. So Amazon product 2. So for example, I'm going to leave it at 3 photos, okay, that I'm going to be Amazon product 3. Okay, 3 photos that I'm going to be using for this listing. Now I'm going to go ahead and I'm going to add these photos. And let me see if I can find them here really quick. Okay, so I'm going to go ahead and upload these photos. You want to make sure that the best photo is always the main photo, okay, which is the photo of the actual mirror or whatever product is the product that you are trying to sell. Now, when it comes to details, okay, I'm going to go ahead and click at the top right corner where it says change. Sometimes the information will already be there for you. And if it's already there, then you don't really have to do anything. I suggest just to leave everything the same. As you can see here, it already has that it's a new condition. The brand, which is Easehold, I think it's called. The type, which is a vanity makeup mirror. If you want to include the color, you can. This one, I believe, is white. Let's just double check. It looks like a white grayish. So what I would do, I wouldn't add white just because I don't want people to get confused. So I'm just going to leave it alone. And I'm going to leave everything else alone, okay? So I'm going to leave it like that. And we're going to move on to the next section. Now, when it comes to the description, what you want to do is you want to go to Amazon. You want to scroll all the way down to where it shows their description, okay, of the product. So I'm going to, and I'm sorry if you heard those messages. I have a couple of notifications coming in, so I do apologize for that, guys. If you hear a little bit of noise coming in. Product information. Sometimes the information of the product will be all the way at the end. Sometimes it would be all the way at the beginning. So what I would do is I would copy right here where it shows all of this information. Okay. And this is the information that I'm going to paste in the description. Okay, I'm going to go ahead and leave the title as it is. Then I'm going to enter 2 spaces and I'm going to paste. Okay, if there's more helpful information, the more the better. So I'm going to scroll down and just see if there's any more information that I can add on. Okay, so as you can see, this would be the description. Now, if I'm able to copy all of this, I cannot copy all of this. So I'm going to leave it as is. And what I would do is I would just copy the main information, which is the shipping, the weight, manufacturer, and the model number. Okay, I'm not going to include the customer reviews or anything like that because they don't need to know that it's coming from Amazon. So I'm going to hit enter and let's see if it comes out decent. Perfect. Okay. So as you can see, it has all the information here. It has the main information, the name, and that is a pretty good description. As you can see at the bottom, it says, now you're talking, buyers love lots of detail. Okay. Now we're going to move on. Once you're done with your description, we're going to move on to pricing. So the pricing, if you are doing a fixed price, I don't like to do bidding when it comes to small profits. So I'm going to click on this button up here where it says auction and I'm going to turn it off. And I'm going to keep the buy now on. As you can see, this item is currently on sale for $24. So what I want to do is I want to make a little bit of profit, right? So I want to make at least $15 to $20 of profit. So I'm going to go ahead and I'm going to sell it for $35, $39. I would say I'm going to sell it for $39.99. Even though the trending price is $24, there is a ton of people that you can reach that will buy your product for more money than it is. So I want you to remember that when it comes to selling, you know, from Amazon to eBay. Okay, so I'm going to leave that alone. So the price is $39.99 fixed price. Now I'm going to go to shipping. I always like to do free shipping. Okay, I like to do offer free shipping, and that is because you are going to ship it from Amazon and you're not shipping it directly from your house. If you were shipping it from your house, you can select a shipping method where they would have to pay for shipping, and then you can go ahead and wrap it up and, you know, and they would be paying for your shipping. But since you are doing it from Amazon, you want to include free shipping. Okay. And then you want to verify that your email is correct and everything like that. Your PayPal email where you're going to get paid, and you want to select on preview. Always make sure that you're previewing your item before you actually list it, just to make sure you didn't miss any information or anything like that. And the great thing about listing from Amazon is most items that you are drop shipping are coming from USA, you know, USA stores. So you are less likely to have a customer be upset or anything like that when it comes to, you know, their item being shipped right away and also being shipped from USA. Okay, $39.99. The picture, the description is there, and everything looks good to go. So if you see everything looks correct, you want to go ahead and click list it. And they will ask you a couple of questions after you list your item. Looks like something is missing. PayPal email address. Okay, let me see if this works. Hopefully this works because I only have a few seconds before this video ends. But just in case it does end, this is exactly how you list an eBay item. Okay, and I will probably do a second video for this to continue on this video. Okay, guys, so stay tuned for video number 2. Thank you, guys.